done reasonably well in business for 15 years, but then sort of hit a bit of a wall and went backwards, got myself into a bit of a mess. And some of the things I learnt, not only at the free day, but also at the boot camp, I put into practice. So I sold my pride and joy, my principal place of residence, which was big home, big block, views over the ocean. Basically got rid of debt. I bought a smaller place that needed renovation. That enabled me to get a line of credit. I could have got up to 800,000, but we got 500,000 in. So I've fixed up some issues with my self-managed super fund. I've bought a one-bedroom unit in that fund, which is in a high growth area. It's not positively geared, but it's not negative, it's neutral. So it'll just sit there and go along. I've renovated my principal place of residence. I'm still doing that, but I've done the most of it. And when I bought it, I paid $875, and I had it revalued because I refinanced not long after I got in there, and it revalued straight away at $950 with a minor renovation. And I've since then done another, put new kitchens and whatever, so it's probably going to reval now at over $1 million. So I've increased the equity there. I'm just waiting on settlement of a property I bought in Newcastle, which is a 1,550 square metre block with 4 2-bedroom units on it, all on one title. So the plan there will be to renovate the units, increase the rental yield, possibly strata title them, and subdivide a separate block at the back. And on that block I'll build a 4-bedroom double garage home with a granny flat and rent them out. So the aim is to keep the whole lot in towns. Whenever I go somewhere, I just go and check it out and see, is there a deal here? And so I've only bought 2 so far, but it's only September. Should get a few more up my sleeve. I'm actually a real estate salesperson. Have been since 1991, and I realised when I sat in Dymphna's first free session that I've made a lot of people a lot of money over the years as a real estate agent, but I haven't done it myself. And whilst I know everything, I shouldn't say everything, nearly everything from a real estate salesperson's point of view, the investing side of the fence is a little bit different. So I've learned so much. So for me, someone involved in property that considers themselves an expert in property, to come along and say that I've learned so much with Dymphna, I think it speaks volumes. I mean, just do it. If you're serious about it, you've got to put a lot of hard work in, a lot of research, and you've got to do all of the due diligence and all the footwork. But if you're serious about it, it's the only way to do it. It's great.